Hey everyone, I'm Northern Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be winterizing the water system in my four-wheel camper. Unless you keep your camper in a heated storage area, winterizing the water system is a seasonal job that you will need to do. The pump, faucet, trap, and water lines are all susceptible to the damage caused when water expands. This camper doesn't have a water heater, so the process of winterizing is really straightforward. The outside spigot is the lowest point in my water system. I start by opening this valve to drain as much water out of the tank as possible. There will always be some water left in the tank. I then turn the faucet on in order to evacuate some of the water that is sitting in the pump. After closing the valve on the outside spigot, I add AntiFreeze through the fresh water inlet. The AntiFreeze that I'm using is non-toxic and will protect to -50 degrees Fahrenheit. Some RVs may require several gallons of AntiFreeze. In my case, 1 gallon was just enough. 2 would have been a little bit better. I now turn the faucet on in order to distribute AntiFreeze throughout the plumbing system. I leave the faucet running long enough to ensure that the trap is full. I also run AntiFreeze through the outside spigot. It doesn't show on camera very well, but I can see in the water line that I do have the pink AntiFreeze. Also in here, it's a little bit easier to see the pink. Oh, shit. Oh. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.